Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth beef. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees F. Arrange about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, such as marrow or knuckle bones, on a baking sheet. Roast them for 20 to 30 minutes or until they are nicely browned. This crucial step caramelizes the bones, developing a rich, deep flavor that will make your broth incredibly delicious and aromatic. Don't skip this part. After roasting, transfer your bones to a large stock pot. Add 1 roughly chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Pour in enough cold water to cover everything by about 2 to 3 inches, typically around 4 quarts. Stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out nutrients from the bones. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low and cover. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, remove it from the heat. Carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean container. Discard all the solids. The bones and vegetables have given all their goodness. Allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature for about 1 to 2 hours before transferring it to the refrigerator. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures safety. Once chilled, your bone broth is ready. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it in smaller portions for several months. If a layer of fat solidifies on top, you can easily remove it before reheating, though it's also delicious left in. This homemade bone broth is perfect for sipping, soups, or sauces. Remember to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your nutritious, homemade broth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.